Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create profit first allocations in Bluevine. Using the profit first method in Bluevine helps you to prioritize profits while keeping expenses under control. Here's how to set it up. First step, log into your Bluevine dashboard. Once you're in, create multiple sub-accounts labeled profits, owner's pay, taxes, and operating expenses. Now decide on allocation percentages. For example, you could put 10% profits, 20% to owner's pay, 15% to taxes, and 55% operating expenses. Now each time income is deposited into your main Bluevine accounts, you can transfer funds into each sub-account based on your percentages. Use the recurring transfer features to automate this process and stay consistent. Pay business expenses only from the operating expense account to prevent overspending. At quarter end, distribute profits or set aside extra for growth. This system ensures that you always prioritize profitability instead of letting expenses consume revenue. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.